Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Intro to Robo. In my last video, we learned about different kinds of data types. Today, we will start with text coding. Today, we will again make the blinking of lights using text coding in simulation, and then I will make the same using the real components. Let's start. So first, what we will do is we will change the code from block coding to block plus text. Now what will happen is all the code we make in the block coding part will be changed to text coding here. I did this so you guys can understand each and every line of the text coding. As we know that the code in the block coding part is executed many times, but in text coding, the code in the void setup is only executed once, and the code in the void loop is run infinitely many times. I hope you guys remember the block code which we made for the blinking of the LED project. First, we will take the set pin to high or low block. In my project, I have connected the LED to pin number 12, so I will be changing the pin number to 12. Now you can see the changes in the text coding part as well. The pin mode is used to set the pin which is 12 in our project to input or output. There are two kinds of devices, input devices and output devices. The input devices take information from outside, example sensors. The motion sensor or the ultrasonic sensor is an example of the input device. The motion sensor detects motion, and then based on that information, the other components which are connected in the circuit work. In my shots, you can see that I used LEDs and buzzers which were working as per the information detected by the sensors. The output devices work directly as per the code, example the LED and the buzzer, which can be turned off and on directly with the code. Then we can see that in the void loop there is digital write. Digital write is used to turn the device on or off, which is connected on pin 12 in my project, and then it is set high. Remember that all of this should be written in brackets, and at the end there should be a semicolon. This is the syntax for the text code. Now we want the LEDs to blink, so we will put wait. Now you can see the changes in the text coding part. Delay is used as wait. In text coding, the time is shown in milliseconds. So as it is 1 second in the block coding part, it is showing 1000 in the brackets, that is nothing but 1000 milliseconds. Now when we change the seconds to milliseconds in the block coding, you can see that the delay is changed to 1, that is nothing but 1 millisecond. Now we will change this back to seconds. Now we need to turn the LED off, so we will use the same set pin to high or low block. Change the pin number to 12 and make this low. You can see the changes in the text coding part as well. The digital write with pin number 12, and this is changed to low. Now we need to put a delay again. And now our code is complete. So let me run the simulation. As you can see, it is now working as per our code. Now let me show you the same project with real components. Now let me show you guys the components we'll be using: resistors, LEDs, breadboard, Arduino Uno and jumper wire. Let me show you guys the code. So as you can see that the software which I have used is Arduino IDE. You can install this. So now in the void setup, I have declared all the digital pins from 2 to 7 as output, and then in the void loop I have used digital write and set the pins 2 and 5 to high, then given a delay, then set them to low, then I give a delay again, then I set the pins 3 and 6 to high, then I gave another delay and set the pins 3 and 6 to low, again a delay, 4 and 7 high, and then 4 and 7 low. Now all the LEDs of the same color will blink alternatively. Now we will upload this code in our Arduino. Now connect the Arduino to the laptop, and you can go to Tools and select the COM in which you have connected your Arduino to. Also change the board to Arduino Uno. If you have done all of this, you can upload the code. You can now see that the code is now uploaded. Now we will make the connections. First we will join the LEDs to the breadboard. As you can see, the long one is a positive terminal and the short one is a negative terminal. We will connect this to the breadboard. Now we will connect the negative of the LEDs to the negative of the breadboard with resistors. Now using the jumper wires, we will connect the digital pins of the Arduino to the positive of the LEDs. And finally, the ground to the negative of the breadboard. Our connections are now ready. Now we will connect it to the power source. As you can see, the LEDs are now working as per our code. Watch my previous videos to learn how to open an account in Tinkercad and also to learn block coding and make projects using sensors. So we have come to the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Bye.